Hello everyone, and welcome to the Brian Fagan YouTube channel. I'm Renika Hayes. Today we're going to discuss an important aspect of the legal process, subpoenas. Specifically, we'll talk about what happens when someone disobeys a subpoena and the legal consequences of such disobedience in Texas. We'll also dive into a real-life scenario to illustrate these points clearly. A subpoena is a legal document that orders a person to attend a court proceeding as a witness or to produce documents or evidence in a case. There are two main types of subpoenas: a subpoena ad discondum, which requires the person to testify, and a subpoena adus tecum, which requires the person to produce documents or evidence. Ignoring or disobeying a subpoena is a serious matter. In Texas, the consequences of disobeying a subpoena can be quite severe, including being held in contempt of court. Contempt of court can lead to fines, jail time, or both. The severity of the punishment depends on the circumstances of the disobedience and the judge's discretion. To illustrate the consequences of disobeying a subpoena, let's look at the case of John. John received a subpoena to testify in a criminal trial as a witness. He had crucial information that would impact the case's outcome. However, John decided that he didn't want to get involved and chose to ignore the subpoena, thinking that nothing serious would happen. When John failed to appear in court on a specified date, the judge issued a bench warrant for his arrest. This is a common consequence for disobeying a subpoena. A bench warrant allows law enforcement to arrest John and bring him to court. John was arrested at his workplace and taken into custody, causing significant professional embarrassment. Once in court, John had to explain why he ignored the subpoena. The judge held him in contempt in the court for failing to comply with the legal order. As a result, John faced a fine and was sentenced to a short jail term. This situation could have been avoided if John had sought legal advice and responded appropriately to the subpoena. It's important to understand that there are legitimate reasons to challenge a subpoena. If you believe the subpoena is unreasonable, overly broad, or violates your rights, you can file a motion to quash the subpoena. This motion asks the court to modify or nullify the subpoena. A lawyer can help you navigate this process and present your case effectively. In another scenario, let's consider Mary, who received a subpoena adus tecum to produce certain business records in a civil case. Mary was concerned that producing these documents would violate her client's confidentiality. Instead of ignoring the subpoena, Mary consulted with her lawyer. They filed a motion to quash the subpoena, arguing that the request was too broad and would cause undue harm to her business clients. The court reviewed Mary's motion and agreed that the subpoena was overly broad. The judge modified the subpoena to limit the scope of the documents that were required, and they were protecting Mary's client's confidentiality while still providing relevant information for the case. By addressing the subpoena through legal channels, Mary avoided the negative consequences that John faced. The key takeaway is that subpoenas are legal orders that must be taken seriously. Ignoring a subpoena can lead to severe consequences, including arrests, fines, and jail time. Receive a subpoena is crucial to respond appropriately. Consulting with a lawyer can help you understand your obligations and options, whether it's complying with the subpoena, challenging it, or negotiating its terms. In summary, subpoenas are an essential part of the legal process, and disobeying them can have significant legal repercussions. By understanding your rights and responsibilities, you can navigate this aspect of the legal system more effectively. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, please like this button and subscribe to our channel for more legal insights and updates. Stay informed and take care. See you next time.
Hello, thank you for watching our video. And because you made it to the end of that video, we're offering you our new estate planning handbook. This is a wonderful tool and I'm sure you like it. Go ahead, download the link and let's get learning together.